Why do you promise yourself you will wake up at 5 a.m., then hit snooze until 8? Why do you plan to do your meal preparation, then spend $30 on DoorDash? Listen, it is not because you are lazy. It is because your brain is a survival machine, not a productivity machine. Once you understand the source code, discipline becomes a skill you can train. 1. The internal civil war. Inside your head, two systems are at war. The limbic system is your primitive brain. It wants comfort, sugar, and instant hits of dopamine. The prefrontal cortex is your chief executive officer. It handles logic, long-term goals, and complex decisions. When you choose Netflix over the gym, your limbic system just staged a coup. Self-discipline is not about willpower. It is about strengthening the prefrontal cortex. 2. The marshmallow test. In the famous Stanford marshmallow experiment, children were offered a simple deal: 1 marshmallow now, or 2 if they could wait 15 minutes. Years later, the children who waited had higher SAT scores and better health. The takeaway? Success is not just about intelligence, it's about delayed gratification. Discipline is simply the ability to trade a small now for a big later. 3. Hack the habit loop. Every behavior follows a 3-step loop: cue, routine, and reward. If you scroll social media for 2 hours every night, you're not weak, you're just stuck in a loop. Don't try to delete the habit. That rarely works. Instead, replace the routine. Keep the same cue, like sitting on the couch, but change the action. Pick up a book. The reward, relaxation, stays the same, but the outcome changes. 4. The identity shift. Real change happens when you stop focusing on outcomes and start focusing on identity. Don't say, "I'm trying to be disciplined." Say, "I am a disciplined person." A person trying to quit smoking is still a smoker, but a person who says, "I don't smoke," has already won. Your brain will always fight to align your actions with who you believe you are. Self-discipline is not a personality trait you're born with. It's a muscle. Train your brain. Value the big later. Swap the routine and claim your new identity. If you want to master the psychology of wealth and self-improvement, follow Wealth Mind Lab. Let's get your mind right so your money stays right.